Rashid is a student. Rashidun darisun. Fatima is a student. Fatimatu darisatun. The house is big. Al-baytu jadidun. The car is old. As-sayyaratu qadimatun. A big house. Baytun kabirun. The big house. Al-baytul kabiru. An old car. Sayyaratun qadimatun. The old car. As-sayyaratul qadimatu. My home. Bayti. Your home. Baytuka or baytuki. Your home. Baytukum, baytukunna, baytukuma. His home. Baytuhu. Her home. Baytuha. Their home. Baytuhum, baytuhunna, baytuhuma. Our home. Baytuna. My home is small. Bayti saghirun. Your horse is strong. Hisanuka qawiyun. Your food is ready. Ta'amuki jahizun. Your school is nearby. Madrasatukum qaribatun. His bike is expensive. Darajatuhu thamina. Her hair is long. Sha'ruha tawilun. Their garden is beautiful. Bustanuhum jamilun. Our room is spacious. Ghurfatuna wasi'ah.